Good afternoon, all. CamelbackTrading.org coming to you this Wednesday afternoon, October 19th. And we're looking at Window Trader's market profile of the ES and SPY. So the daily spent one day in up mode as we come right back into balance as we give up yesterday's low. All three of us are back in balance on the daily. I'm assuming Tesla's earnings came out. Again, though, today was a perfect example. Apple was unchanged, and Netflix was up huge, yet NASDAQ was down, almost 1%. So unless you're trading those individual stocks, certainly don't lean on one or two stocks to base your trades on indices, especially the ES and SPY. Okay? That's my 2 cents. Russell ends now. Russell and end period, as you can see. Oh, wow. I didn't look at them late in the day. M tried to take back their trend day, but it did not. I don't count N. N is after hours. So for now, Russell goes out with a double distribution day. They're the only one. SPY, ES, Qs, and NQ only have the days high and low, and ES has a poor high today. ES has a poor high. It was a good day. Again, the afternoon turned to really nothing. I'm very disappointed in the Three Stooges, Curly, Larry, and Moe, KL, and M. After Jay was able to take out the shorts and relieve some of the short pressure, you figured either they would get moving to the upside or roll over and test the lows. They did neither. They went nowhere. So very disappointing. As far as my trade say, again, I had a very good day. I lost on one trade in B period only on a short. I shorted the opening in A twice below the opening, thinking we had gotten the overnight low. I thought we can go for yesterday's low. Made money on both of them, but we never got it at that point. B period, I made money the first time doing the same thing. Second time I did it against the 144, got above it, got near the opening, got out for a small loss, and then B went up. And then I flipped and went long on B when it popped A, right before it popped A's high. It looked like it was going to get some good energy and do it. So I took the long and did very well on it. I think I made like 5 points on it because it just popped and popped pretty good. Then I didn't do anything to E period. Took a short. Once we started one time framing down on a push up, I took a short, did okay on that. Then G started going and went rip below the IB low finally. So on pushes up, I took a short, and I took a short. I actually took a big lot to go get the 12 wide POC. The problem was I didn't realize how close we were to it, so I didn't make much on it, but did okay on that. And then my best time frame was probably H. I just smacked shorts around every push up. I was taking 2 lots, and they were coming right back in for anywhere between 2 and 4 points. So I did very well in H. Now, I did miss a long in J. I wanted to take a long, thinking at the time to get above the 144 and go fill singles. But it was right there. It was having a tough time. Didn't take it. And then it just popped pretty good. So I did miss an opportunity there. And I didn't miss anything in KL or M. And by the way, I don't know what Tesla's doing, but we ran all the way up to value high. And look at this. We're right back down below our POC. Again, emotional trading. Just, we had a great range again. Today's volume, though, definitely lighter than we've had the last couple of days. We're at 74 million. We did it in the mid-90s to upper 90s the last 2 days. We'll see, though, how the overnight goes. As far as destinations, there's only 2 today. The high and the low. So ES's high is 40.75, which is a poor high. ES's low is 76.75. You should have everything else from yesterday. SPY, today's high is 371.85. Today's low is 365.55. So then let's go to the charts and see what's going on here. So again, the weekly is still in balance. Nothing changed. We came back into balance. It is balanced. The only way that would change is if we took out last week's low in the last 2 days, right? Otherwise, and it would still be balanced actually, just be how much do they stretch it. Now the daily is back in balance. We came out of balance to the upside yesterday. Unfortunately, today we came back down to it. Now we tested the 20-day moving average a couple of times today. But for now, we closed above it by almost $2.50. So today's high and low isn't really important to me. It's yesterday's high and it's Monday's low. Those are your balance highs and lows. So if we stay above the 20 and get above yesterday's high, good odds maybe we do take out Monday's high and get going again. On the flip side, if we take out yesterday's low, we'll be below the 20, and good odds we'll at least test Monday's low and then see if we come out of balance to the downside on the daily. Again, I'm not being biased and I'm trading what's in front of me. These lower highs all year have worked well. I'm just still not 100% convinced that this high of 379.46 on October 5th is our latest lower high. Again, we'll see if it's going to be right or not. Believe me, if we take out yesterday's low and Monday's low, I'll be doing nothing but shorting. But I'm just talking about maybe the bigger picture as far as thinking we can get a higher high here, possibly. Anyway, hope you had a good day trading. Thanks for the likes and subscribing. Enjoy your evening, and we'll speak prior to the opening tomorrow.